everyone. So today I am filming a little bit differently than usual. Usually I have the camera above overhead shooting down onto a table showing you guys my planner. But today I want to share my planner cart with you guys. So I am holding the camera, so please bear with me. I hope it won't be too shaky for you. So my planner cart is basically the same planner cart that everyone has from IKEA. And here's what it looks like. It's in this off-white color, which I thought was white when I first bought it, and then realized it was off-white. So I'm not in love with it, but it does have a great functionality. So I'll show you up close each shelf, but just an overview. These are my collection of planners that I use for my videos, or that I will use for my videos. Popular planners within our community. And then I have my sticker books here, and then a couple of planner supplies there, which I'll share with you guys in just a minute. And then on the second shelf, I have some more planner supplies there. Kind of a little bit less used ones here on the second shelf. And then at the bottom, I have all my collection of ring bound planners. And I'll show you guys a little bit more closely in just a second. But yeah, this is what my planner cart looks like. I love it so much. I don't really have a dedicated space here in our house. Some of you might remember that I'm staying temporarily at my in-laws' house while we search for another house. And so I don't have a lot of space here. So this is basically where I keep everything I need for my planning. So now I'll show you guys shelf by shelf what I have on my cart. So this top shelf has first of all, my collection of planners that I've been collecting over the past several months. These are like the most popular planners in our planner community, and I just like to collect them because of course I'm a planner lover, but also I wanted to start a video series where I use these different planners and use our product in them and just play around and experiment with different planning styles just for fun, and also to share ideas if I have any ideas of how I would plan in these different planners. So first of all, this one here is the Happy Planner. And this is actually the Teresa Collins and Happy Planner collaboration. Sorry for the glare. This is what the planner looks like, and it's beautiful, but I'm just a sucker for irregular dots. So I kind of just switched it around for the inside cover. This is just the inside of that cover. And I changed out, I think it had black discs, which really looked nice too. But I really fell in love with these tulle, it's like a champagne gold color disc. I think it looks so beautiful. So that's the Happy Planner. And then I have two Erin Condren planners. This is the old one, which has this type of weekly design, which is my favorite actually. I'm so sad that she doesn't do it that way anymore. And it has just this cover here. But I also have this one, which is the newest design, just says Hustle and Heart. And it has this weekly design. So that's the most current one, and so I thought that I would get this version as well, so those of you who might be using an Erin Condren can see how it looks in the most current design when I'm planning. And then next I have this Aura Estelle B6 planner cover. This is in the lilac something. I really like it. It's like a purplish pink color. And inside, I do memory keeping in here, or I'm supposed to. I kind of started, but I haven't had time to continue, but it's definitely a goal of mine. So I just have these standard black moleskin notebooks in here, and I just had to trim a little bit off the top and bottom to make it fit into this B6 cover. So I have that for my memory planning, and I hope to share that with you guys as well, just for fun if you're interested. And then I have my Stology, which I am planning to do a plan with me in this planner very soon. And then next I have my 3 Hobonichi. So this is the Hobonichi cousin, but it comes with just a regular like paper cover, but I just put it inside this gold glitter cover that was on a different notebook. I think I got it from, I don't remember, I think a bookstore like a few years ago, several years ago. And I didn't like the notebook inside, but I kept the cover because it was so pretty. And I put my Hobonichi cousin in there. And so I have that one. And then I also have the, I have the Weeks. So this is in that, I think they call it the shell color. I can't wait to play with this one. It's so cute. I have a few ideas for that. And then I do have the A6 as well, which I got at PlannerCon, I think last year or the year before. And so I was using this as a daily journal, but I'm going to play around with it for some planning. So those are all the planners that I have collected for my video series. And then here are sticker books. These are still a work in progress, but basically these are filled with stickers from my shop that I use for my planning. This pink one is my most used stickers. So it has a variety of our monthly kits, sorry for the glare, some text icons and functional stickers and stuff like that. So I have just like a mixture of my favorite stickers in there. And then I'm still building this out. I started putting a little bit, but like for instance, these are icons. So this is the marble cover. These are my icons and some foil icons that I did a long time ago that I haven't been doing lately. I haven't had time, but basically it's gonna be my icons in here, functional, this is doodles and hand lettering, and then clear in here. And I haven't put a cover on this yet. We sell these albums, these sticker albums in our shop, but right now we are sold out. But I have more coming soon. So I'm gonna put little labels here so I know the difference. These will be all our sticker collection that I can have on hand for my planning videos. But this one, the pink, is my most used, like my favorite stickers. And then back here, I keep this album, which is thicker, if you can tell from these. So this one I got from the Planner Society. It was just blank like this one, no cover, but I put a marble cover on it. And in here I keep stickers from some of my favorite shops. They're mostly foiled since I don't do foil. I'll share this more in depth in another video, but I keep just like functional stickers from my favorite shops in there. And then I also have one of the bigger sticker albums. This is also from the Planner Society. It was also blank and I put my own cover. And here I keep kits, which I don't really do kits that much, but I do want to start. So I only have a couple in here right now from Samantha May Sticks, but I'm planning to grow a collection of more so I can play with those sticker kits in these planners. So I keep these back here. And then in the front of the cart is my planner pouch. I'm using another planner pouch right now, which is in my planner bag. So right now this is empty, but I'm planning to put my most used supplies in here so I can have it handy on the cart. And then I have this rose gold little envelope that I got from Office Depot. And inside I keep my inserts, my most used inserts. So each week and each month when I change out my inserts, they're handy in here and I keep it right on top. And then in the back here, it's kind of hidden, I just keep a little acrylic case with some roller adhesive tape, roller tape, or dot adhesive, sorry, whatever it's called. But I really like this because it's repositionable, and so it's good for like attaching planner cards and stuff or die cuts to your like dashboards, but then you could take them off without ruining anything. And then I have this post-it tape. I don't know if you guys know about this, but it's basically post-it note tape on a roll, and you can use it as a post-it note as usual, or what I like to use it for is like pre-planning, so I could cut them into little squares and then stick them onto my pages, and then they come right off without ruining the pages after you're done using them. So I just keep that in the back over here. So here is the second shelf, and sorry for the lighting. I tried my best to get it lit under here, but basically what I have are these two acrylic boxes that I got from Michael's a long time ago. They're Heidi Swap, and I don't believe they're available anymore, but I really love them because they have these gold handles on the top. And so this one in the front is empty right now. I had my washi tape in it, but it's not a great way to store washi. It was pretty, but not a great way to store it because it's hard to get to the ones on the bottom. So now I have my washi tape in this acrylic case, and most of them, almost all of them, are Simply Gilded washi. I'll link all the shops that I mentioned down below, but I have just the basic colors, the whites, the pinks, and then the neutral colors here. I have a couple of random ones here, which are hearts and crowns. These ones are from a newer collection of hers with the animal print on them, which are so pretty. And then I just have these two here, which are the MT washi. This is a pastel gray and this is black, and I have a pastel brown on the way as well. So I keep all my washi here. It's much easier to access the washi, and this is from Target, like in their bath section, I believe. And then the bigger box back here has all my sticky note collection. So I don't know, let me see if I can show you guys. So I have a bunch of sticky notes. I have a bunch of decorative ones here, old school Kiki K ones here, and then I have just some that I've collected over the years, and I do use sticky notes, but not decorative ones as much, but I still like to collect them because, I don't know, something about sticky notes. I have my functional ones over on this side. The top ones are like the ones I sell in my shop, and then the bottom ones, I have some back here from like Peanuts Planner Co., like these ones that she used to have before. And then I have some cloth and paper ones, and just some blank white ones back there. So when I print on sticky notes, I have some just blank white ones. And then I have some old school Target dollar spot ones back here. I kept a couple. And yeah, that's basically it. Just my collection of sticky notes here. And then I have a little drawer here, which I got from Daiso, I believe. And in here are my notepads. So I have notes, and then I have this one from the last sub kit, which is the to-do notepad. And then I have this one, Dream Plan Do on marble. So I keep them in these cute little drawers here. And then here I also have one of our weekly planning pads, which a lot of you guys have liked and requested for me to bring them back to the shop. So I think these will be coming to the shop soon. So I keep it just here on the side. And that's it. That's the second shelf. I haven't decided what I'm going to put in here yet, but I just really like the way it looks aesthetically, so I'll find a use for it. And then here is the bottom shelf, and here I just have my collection of ring-bound planners. So I have the 3 sizes of Louis Vuitton agendas, the GM, the MM, and the PM. And then I have this Chanel planner, which I love so much. It was hard to find this one. Finally got my hands on it. And then I have, you guys know if you've been watching my videos that I have a Giglio Campagna in the black croc in the standard size or the personal size. And then I do also still have this one, which is the slim. And I don't plan to sell this anytime soon because I feel like I'll regret it. It's so beautiful. I'm holding on to it for now just in case I change my mind and want to go back to slim, or for times that I just want to like switch out for a little while. And then I also still do have my Vanderspec Parm in the personal size, which I do still love. I feel like I don't want to sell it yet. I might, just because it's a tad bit on the pink side for me. But again, it's like one of those things where you feel like you're going to regret it if you sell it. So I'm still contemplating that. And then these are the 3 old school KKK planners that were like my first unicorn planners that I was looking for. Like, I searched everywhere for them, and they weren't selling it on KKK website anymore, so I had to like find them on eBay or the Facebook groups, and I overpaid for all of them, but it was worth it because I love these so much. And even though I don't really use them anymore, I definitely keep them for sentimental value. So yeah, I keep all my collection of my ring band planners here. The only one missing is the one that I use right now, which is the standard size of the Giglio over here. And then back here, I kind of keep hidden a little acrylic tray. Another one of those from Target, and I just keep my electronics here. My hard drive, my sprocket, and this little adapter for my MacBook to adapt like USB and stuff like that. So I keep it in an acrylic case hidden in the back. So there you go. That's my planner cart in a nutshell. Some of these things, like my sticker books, I'll share more in depth in another video. Stay tuned for some videos playing with these planners. I really look forward to. If you guys want, I'll show you more of my sticky note collection. You guys saw my washi tape. And yeah, that's basically it. That's my whole planner cart. I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon.